What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to deal with math and chemistry questions, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. This video I want to solve this trigonometric equation, which is sin 2 theta times cosine 3 theta equals to -1 minus cosine 2 theta times sin 3 theta, and we need to solve it for theta changing from 0 to 2 pi. I need to move this one to the left hand side, so I have sin 2 theta times cosine 3 theta plus cosine 2 theta times sin 3 theta equals to -1. And here we have sin x plus y, as you know from the compound angles, equals to sin x times cosine y plus sin y times cosine x. Then, based on that, I can rearrange this form to sin 2 theta plus 3 theta equals to -1, which will be sin 5 theta equals to -1. And as we know, sin 3 pi over 2 equals to -1. So here, when theta is changing from 0 to 2 pi, 5 theta is gonna change to 0 to 10 pi because I multiplied everything by 5. So we have 5 cycles in total. So this is gonna be the only answer for the first cycle. So we have 3 pi over 2. For the second cycle, we have 3 pi over 2 plus 2 pi. For the third one, 3 pi over 2 plus 4 pi. 3 pi over 2 plus 6 pi, and finally 3 pi over 2 plus 8 pi. Then if you rearrange it, it's going to be 3 pi over 2. Here it's going to be 7 pi over 2, 11 pi over 2, 15 pi over 2, 19 pi over 2. These are the values for 5 theta. Now if you want to write theta, you divide all of them by 5. It's going to be 3 pi over 10, 7 pi over 10, 11 pi over 10, 15 pi over 10, 19 pi over 10. Which this one can change to, when you reduce it, is going to be 3 pi over 2. So 3 pi over 10, 7 pi over 10, 11 pi over 10, 3 pi over 2, and 19 pi over 10. So these are the 5 answers to this question, to this equation. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you found this video useful, please like it and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.